Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at another Stream API question. Again, we are dealing with a simple one, but definitely knowing this how to execute is also important. So we have what we need to do is we need to convert a list of string to uppercase. So a list of string is given, and yes, you can see is the name of some of the series, and you just need to convert that string to uppercase. So we do a list of string, answer is equals to list dot string dot map. So whenever we are changing the elements or making some changes to it, or adding, subtracting, doing a square of that, we use map. Okay, and this is the class, because all of the elements inside our string are strings, and we give a method reference, and after that, if you just give a control space, you'll see all the methods that are relevant to string, and we are going to choose one from here. So you see two options here. One is taking a local. The that is something that is local is used if we are supposed to use something which is related to a specific region or a specific culture. So if we are supposed to code something which is relevant to a particular region, we will be using local. We'll be creating a constructor for the same, and all the necessary resources related to that particular region will be loaded. Okay, but we are not using that as of now, so we are using this. This is our simple requirement, and then we are just going to collect it. There we see our answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.